Good morning. We have just woken up and we are staying in this inn. Pia's nude. I didn't realise that Pia is nude behind there, so I shouldn't really be vlogging. And this is the view. Pretty epic. Our house is actually on stilts, as you can see. I probably will have shown you this already in yesterday's edit of our room tour. But still, nevertheless, I had to distract while Pia put her clothes on. Oh, you got clothes on now?
Yeah, nearly.
She has clothes, nearly. It's like 9 o'clock. She's gone through 14 outfit changes already.
That's such a lie.
And
I
she's
just went to the bathroom and I had to take my whole top off because it's a swimsuit.
14 outfit changes and she ends on that hat.
Right, so this resort has a no shoes policy and you each get given a bike so you can get around. So check out my bike. It has my initials.
That's cool. Look, it's fully engraved in there for your duration of your stay.
How cool is that?
That's really good. And also, I didn't really show this yesterday, but this is the resort we're on. Like, it's kind of crazy.
And now we have to ride along this jetty, which we're both too afraid to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk my bike along that skinny jetty with no rungs.
So yesterday it was like dark and we both walked the whole way of the jetty holding our bikes, and then we got onto land. That's when we started riding. And we were like passing everyone else who was just fully... See, he's just
Look,
riding.
he's got no issue riding his bike. Morning.
We just haven't ridden bikes in quite a while, so I think we need to get used to it a bit more.
I think if I was on a hoverboard, I'd be fine, but on a push bike, not so good. When was the last time you rode a bike?
Like 10 years ago. So we park our bikes here. Oh, I gotta get that. And then we head over the jetty on the water where there's heaps of restaurants and stuff. So we're running late to a cooking class which we're doing, which is going to be a Sri Lankan cuisine cooking class, and I think we get to eat what we make.
I hope so. We are a little bit late because Pia was doing her hair.
No, I wasn't.
You know how it is.
No, I wasn't actually. We're doing a room tour and got distracted.
We just figured because the weather's not perfect right now, we'd do some of the activities that are indoor based, and cooking class certainly was my #1 choice.
Yeah. I'm Pia.
I'm Shashin, nice to meet you.
Apparently we're both going to be cooking together.
First thing we're making, eggplant curry.
And we're done.
This is exactly what you wanted, isn't it?
Yeah,
Sri Lankan curries.
I've been wanting this food for a long time. I'm so happy we finally got it. Good morning. Check it out. We have tiny bits of blue sky coming through. This is a good day. I'm getting a time lapse here. And I reckon today might be the first day we can actually shoot. This is why I don't like wearing my GoPro on my head. I look stupid.
You look fantastic, darling. I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Sun's out. Shoot day. You're right there.
Yeah. Just trying to face you and like walk backwards into something. Alright.
Right. So the camera is on a tripod at this height. It's a big tripod. It's a proper big man photo. And I can't bother to keep taking it on and off. So now I'm having to selfie myself like this. And it is the heaviest thing in the world. I'm gonna have the biggest shoulders. And I also look ridiculous because of this hat. And now there's somebody walking towards me and it's gonna be so embarrassing to walk past them.
The ultimate selfie stick.
This is the best selfie stick you've ever seen.
I'm actually gonna film him and show you guys what he looks like right now. Hold up. It's really inconspicuous.
I find it helps me get the shots that people don't realise I'm shooting.
Our bikes to the beach and it looks amazing. I can't think of a better place to take some Instagram photos. Let's go. Working for all of 8 minutes now, so why haven't you ordered a drink yet? I have, I've ordered 2 coconuts.
We have just found a hammock, and if you've watched all of our vlogs in the past, you know that Pia's success rate with hammocks is very, very low. So this could be very funny or it could be very disappointing. Either way, you'll know in like 5 seconds. How do we reckon she's gonna go? Just almost to shoulder height. We have just exhausted 3 cameras and a drone's worth of batteries, so I think we've got some good shots. So now it's time to head back to the room and have some breakfast.
The PIA MUEHLENBECK.
We're on small plots like this and the wind's quite bad. It's almost impossible to land it on the ground, so I have to catch it with my hand. And this is probably where I'm going to fluff it up for the first time in my whole life. But I'll show you what it is. Let me go and have lunch. So this is the look for this evening.
Yeah, we're going to a cocktail thing. So, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. So we've just come to Sip Sip, which is the kind of sunset bar. It's also the swimming pool that we were at shooting earlier today. But the sunset bar, which apparently everyone comes to on the island. And you can see from the number of bikes back there, they're not wrong. This looks pretty amazing,
wow,
babe.
The sunset is incredible.
This is going to be, hopefully, the best time lapse for you guys. That's the plan anyway.
It's so beautiful. Alrighty, so we have had an absolutely magical day today. We hope you've enjoyed watching our vlog. We're gonna have a couple of cocktails and canapes, maybe a cheeky free massage. I'm not gonna say, I shouldn't say it's a cheeky massage, it's just a massage.
It's just a regular massage.